कहाँ से मिला? हाँ, वेरी गुड। तो पावनी को पता था? हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। गुड मॉर्निंग विजय भाई।
Good morning, Atul.
Good morning Shefali, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing fine. All well.
Fantastic. हाँ जी, आ जाओ। मैंने वापस कॉल किया, तुमने उठाया नहीं। अभी आ जाओ फटाफट, वेटिंग। आ जाओ। सो व्हाट्सएप, सो मेरे को आप दोनों प्लीज वो तो फीडबैक तो भर दो।
Sorry, मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं. Sorry, come again.
I said उसका फीडबैक तो दे दो। लेवरेज।
नहीं, I'll do it today. I'll positively do it.
Perfect. Thank you. So today our second batch is starting.
Yes, I'm aware. I read that.
And you're most welcome to join.
I will love to, but I have other commitments. अब तो फंस गई हूँ मैं बिल्कुल ही. So let's see.
कोई बात नहीं। या और विजय भाई, विजय भाई कैसे हैं?
Old is gold, Rita. Old is gold. એમાં જયા ગગા શું બેટા? આટલી મોટી વર્લ્ડની બ્રાન્ડ છે, નાની બ્રાન્ડ થોડી.
क्या कौन सी मोटी ब्रांड से?
हेलो, मॉर्निंग सर, एवरीबॉडी.
गुड मॉर्निंग। क्या कौन सा नाना ब्रांड, मोटा ब्रांड क्या चल रहा है?
अरे कह रहे बच्चा वो लेके आया, वो JBL का ब्लूटूथ का, बिगड़ गया था वो.
अच्छा।
अब वो फिट नहीं हो रहा. मैं बोला इतनी बड़ी ब्रांड है तो फिट नहीं हो रही. मैं बोला ओल्ड ही लगाओ, वायर वाला.
ओके।
क्या शेफाली जी, क्या हाल है? हाँ, गुम हो गए.
शेफाली जी ब्रेकफास्ट बना रही लग रहा है आज।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
विजय भाई प्लीज फीडबैक दे दो।
नहीं आज ही दे देता हूँ. आज ही.
हाँ जी, डन। या
देता हूँ.
आज हमारा सेकंड बैच
फीडबैक भी देता हूँ.
हाँ जी,
हाँ राइट. फीडबैक भी देता हूँ, प्लस मेरा लास्ट थर्सडे का प्रॉमिस भी बाकी, वो भी पूरा करना है. बस क्या हुआ है, ऑनेस्टली बोलो ना कि अपॉर्चुनिटी भी इतनी आ गई है ना, तो मेन पावर कम पड़ता है. अभी मेन पावर में मैं वनमेन आदमी हूँ, तो कैसे संभालना, क्या संभालना, स्केल अप करना है मेन बड़ी बात है. पॉसिबली आपकी जो है वो मेरी भी है.
तो अपने आसपास कम्युनिटी बनाना जो है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
हाँ भाई, मेरे इंश्योरेंस के लाइन में कैसे करना है वो मुझे सोचना है. काफी बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. एक तो डिसीजन ले लिया टू टाई विद द बिग ब्रोकर, नो, इसके लिए भी उसकी टर्म्स कंडीशन फिट करनी है ना, ऐसे करना है. I'm looking for creating the long term future passive income through this. और एक नक्की किया कि टू एस्टैब्लिश इंश्योरेंस ऑडिटर्स ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट एस्टैब्लिश करनी है. राइट. आई वांट टू वर्क लाइक अ मेंटर फॉर द पीपल, नो.
Right.
on professional basis.
So take one thing at a time.
हाँ.
So when you keep on getting small successes, your attitude changes.
Okay.
बड़ी सक्सेस एक बार में आती नहीं है,
बराबर है,
और बड़ा झटका भी नहीं आता एक बार में.
हाँ.
Right. So छोटे छोटे, keep on get into this habit of a small success every day.
Right.
ये मेरी आज सुबह की लर्निंग है.
Okay.
So I woke
अच्छा.
up at 7 o'clock today morning
हाँ.
on the sound of Paytm.
हाँ, देखा आप.
तो सुबह 7
Great.
बजे 999 dropped into the account.
अच्छा.
तो मैंने कहा भाई ये सुबह सुबह मैसेज निकल जाना चाहिए, बाद में इसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
हाँ.
हेलो, कोई बात नहीं, 2 मिनट और लगा लो. ठीक है, डन. ठीक है ना. तो जैसे ही वो हुआ,
हाँ.
मैंने वो मैसेज डाला.
हाँ. राइट, मैंने पढ़ा.
ओके, तो मैसेज डाला, तो दैट वाज अ ग्रेट सक्सेस फॉर मी. ऑलराइट. एंड द पर्सन हु हैज डन इट, आई हैव नॉट स्पोकन टू हिम, आई डोंट नो हिम.
हाँ.
आज ही मिलूंगा मैं उसमें सेशन में.
बराबर है.
Okay. Now, when I sent this message, the impact was Rizwana. She sent me a voice message asking to what is this all about.
Okay.
So I sent her a voice message,
हाँ.
and 8:34 she also paid for this program.
Great.
Okay. Then the same message I sent to everybody. So Akshar sent a smiley on this.
Okay.
Okay. Now Akshar is a marketing guru.
हाँ. Correct.
I
Akshar
said,
Yadav, ना, I think.
huh? Sorry?
Akshar Yadav.
Yes, Akshar Yadav. Yeah.
Akshar Yadav है क्या?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. हाँ, Akshar Yadav. So he sent a smiley. I sent him a message asking him, इसमें और क्या करूं? He said, this is a very small figure. So then I went back to my Paytm account, and I just put a data from 1st of May till today.
Okay.
And that came to 65,000 some odd rupees.
हाँ. Yeah, great.
मैंने वही उठा के डाल दिया.
Great.
So I realized there are 20 transactions in 18 days.
Okay.
That means on an average 1 transaction a day.
हाँ. आपका बड़ा तो इसमें से आ गया ना जैकपॉट. अपने वो कौन सत्य गुप्ता.
जैसे भी आया.
नहीं, अच्छी अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ भैया.
हम एवरेज आउट करें.
हाँ.
So it comes to more than 3,000 rupees a day. So what I'm just telling you is we need to get into this habit of small wins every day.
Right.
So देखा जावे तो 3,000 रुपया, 1,000 रुपया is no big amount. But if it keeps on coming every day,
right.
1 लाख रुपया होगा महीने का.
Right.
सही है ना?
सही है. आपकी जो लिवरेज की बात जो निकाली ना,
हाँ जी,
उससे मुझे अभी ये लाइट हुई कि लिवरेज आपका अपना जो रहता है ना, अनुभव रहता है ना, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस.
राइट.
एक्सपीरियंस प्लस कम्युनिकेशन कैन ब्रिंग द वेरी बिग लिवरेज. अभी मालूम है क्या हुआ कि सब्यासाची स्पोक टू हिज फ्रेंड इन दिल्ली. उसने मेरे को हेलो बोला.
गुड मॉर्निंग मयूर, वेलकम. हाँ जी, बोलिए विजय भाई.
तो उनका मुझे पे मैसेज आया, यू टू इंश्योर आवर एसेट्स एंड नाउ यू टू टेक द पॉलिसी थ्रू, यू नो.
राइट.
तो आपका ईमेल आईडी भेजिए. तो कुछ किया था, वो सब्यासाची ने सुना. हम लोग ने बात की, बराबर राजेश ने बात की, राजेश ने इनर सर्कल में डाला, तो वहां उसकी इफेक्ट हो गई ना. मैं देख रहा हूँ उसकी इफेक्ट हो रही है.
राइट.
अभी इसका स्ट्रक्चर बनाना जरूरी है, बराबर ना.
बिल्कुल.
तो it keeps on repeating. It's on off on, goes on automation gradually.
Absolutely.
Yes.
वेलकम सुनील. सो पहले ये देखना जरूरी है कि हाउ डिड द फर्स्ट विन हैपन. After that, you need to look at how can you make this win a habit.
Exactly.
So how can you repeat it?
Right.
है ना? So for
Correct.
every conversation, what went right and what did not go right.
Okay.
So what went right, we increase it.
Right.
What did not go right, we drop it.
Correct.
Simple है ना?
Right. Correct.
तो ऐसा है.
Possibly after a week or so, no?
Yeah.
We can have a paid session of the people who have done the COVID, no?
Absolutely.
Practices of COVID system, correct? You can give some name. Okay, those who practice, those who create the habits, no?
Definitely we can do that. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
And there can be the paid seminar weekly.
Absolutely. So Rucha, I think she's trying and she's having some problem in coming on the call. But sooner or later she will be on the call. By that time, let us have a round of introduction. So Vijay bhai, aapse shuru karte hain.
Yeah, good morning everybody. Vijay Shah from Insurance Auditors, veteran in the field of insurance for last 45 years. We offer A to Z of insurance, anything in the insurance. And especially in the COVID time, those who are businessmen or businesswomen need to focus on the ensuring their employees as per the orders of the Ministry of the Home Affairs dated 15th April. Please share your mobile number on the chat. I will share with you the circular of the MH. Thank you very much. And even if you have got any issue or challenges concerning insurance, you can contact me.
Yeah. So Vijay bhai, which city are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Great. Thanks.
Mumbai,
Sunil,
close to domestic airport.
Yeah. Sunil, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hi, this is Sunil Monga. I'm dealing in mutual fund investments.
We're losing you in between, Sunil. Which you said you are into mutual funds, right?
Yeah, mutual fund and realty also.
And reality also. And which city are you from?
Delhi.
Okay, great. Thanks. Yeah, bye. Mayur?
Yeah, this is my first e-growth Zoom call, Atul. Thank you for inviting me or being part of it. Yeah, and I am into international business, into procurement of agricultural commodities from African countries to India.
Okay.
And I'm also a director with a company which is listed on stock market and which is into fruits and vegetable supply chain.
Fantastic. And which city are you from?
I'm from Navi Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai. Great. Thanks. Shefali?
Good morning, everybody. I'm Shefali. I represent Karejini Consulting. We are recruiters for the domain of textile and lifestyle, based out of New Delhi, India. We are also into training and mentoring services. Thank you.
Okay, great. So we're still waiting for Rucha. Till that time, I'll just take you through what is CEO Talks all about. By that time, I think Rucha should be here.
Request to put all to put the coordinates. People who are the new one, old one, can note down.
Yeah, sure.
So Maruji, maybe Bombay से हूँ. We can catch up with you. Hello.
हाँ जी, definitely will catch up.
मैं विले पार्ले में हूँ.
हाँ जी, मैं पनवेल में रहता हूँ.
अच्छा. आपका जरा नंबर प्लीज जरा चैट में करिए. मेरा नंबर भेज देता हूँ. मेरी नहीं देता हूँ मैं.
चलो ठीक. यहाँ एक बार लॉग आउट करके देखो, शायद वो फिर से रिस्टार्ट करके देखो. हाँ, प्लीज. ठीक, थैंक्स. बाय. So good morning, everybody. CEO Talks is a creation of the lockdown. So we started on the 25th of March 2020. Average participation has been around 40, and now since today is the first day after lockdown, I think that is the reason why most of the people would have gone back to office, and so we have very little participation today. All right, and we are live on Facebook as well. Okay, so far around 5,000 unique participants have participated. Okay, we have had talks on various topics such as branding, sales, marketing. There are a number of business coaches who have come here in industrial engineering, business automation, business opportunities, information technology, and also compliance, both from accounting as well as from the legal side. We've also had some legal investment experts who've been participating here. One thing what we've been doing is that on Saturdays, we have a very special conversation, which is called as the Industry Connect. This is where we have a panel of people who discuss on a specific topic. All right. And in this, we had some of the industry associations and chambers who come and represented here over the previous weeks. And we intend to keep it going. On Sundays, we have a very special conversation, which we call as Chapal. This is where we don't have any specific agenda. The business owners, they come and there's a free flowing conversation and we just get to know each other better. Okay. You can also participate, or you can also host talks over here, in which what we give to you is you are able to, so we promote you as a speaker, and the promotion goes to around 1 lakh users. So we've got a WhatsApp network of 50 groups. We've got a Facebook community of 5,000 people. Then we've got a mailing list of around 45,000 users. And then on our portal, there are around 18,000 users. So like this, overall, there are around 1 lakh users who get to see your message. And then there are a few of them who come on the talk live, and this talk gets recorded and in turn also gets uploaded on YouTube. So all our previous CEO talks are there on our YouTube channel. I invite you to go and have a look there. All right. So the people behind the CEO Talks. So CEO Talks is an initiative of eGrowth. eGrowth is the world's first BAD ecosystem. BAD stands for Business Advisory and Business Development. Our mission is to empower and enable businesses. So we've been around since 2014. Right now, as we speak, we have a community of around 28,000 business owners who are directly associated with eGrowth, and maybe around 2 lakh users who are indirectly associated with eGrowth. These are some of the images of various events that we've conducted in the past. We went on a road trip to Punjab. We also went on a road trip to West India. And in 2018, we participated with Startup India as a technology partner in their Uttar Pradesh Startup India Yatra. And these are some images from there. We've also conducting a number of events or workshops for different entrepreneurs. So here are some images from Shimla, Kanpur, Udaipur, Jaipur, and there is some media coverage also what you can see. How is it that you can associate with eGrowth? We've got a portal called egrowth.org. This is where you can create your personal profile. You can post your requirements. You can post your offers. You can publish blogs and articles so that you can get discovered by other business owners. You can even list your events. Right now, there are more than 18,000 business owners who are already listed here. We are pretty active on social media. Our social media handle is egrowth.org. We're there on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, as well as on WhatsApp. I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/c/egrowth.org. So you search for egrowth.org, you'll get it there. Right now, we've got around 300 videos which are already uploaded there. This includes all the videos of the previous CEO talks that we've had in the past around 50 days. We do a lot of active engagement with our members. So we organize workshops and trainings. There are e-growth mixers, there are town hall meetings, introduction to e-growth and CEO talks. We also have a very interesting format which is called as the e-growth inner circle. Sanjeev ji, you're there? If you can please take us through the e-growth inner circle. So Sanjeev ji is the president of the e-growth inner circle. He'll tell us more about it. Sanjeev ji? Okay, so I think he's busy. So eGrowth Inner Circle is a structured platform which meets 2 times in a month. There is a team which manages the eGrowth Inner Circle. This is based on distributed consulting where we allow peer-to-peer conversations and allow business owners to interact among themselves. This is an online platform, so we've got members from various parts of the country. Soon we'll go global as well. We are agnostic of the industry. The highlight of the inner circle is the CREATE session. CREATE is an acronym for challenges, resolutions, empathy, analysis, trust, empower, and enable. We also work pretty closely with the industry bodies and all our eGrowth Inner Circle members, they have access to that. All right. We invite you to subscribe to eGrowth, so you can subscribe as a registered user wherein you get a verified profile, you have read-write access to the portal, and you can participate in our networking meetings. You've got to pay every time you participate. Or next option is you can become an annual subscriber wherein you have access to the first degree contacts. You can also create a business portrait, which is like a shop for your business. And you can have multiple shops. In case you've got multiple businesses, you can have a business portrait for each of those businesses. As far as networking meetings is concerned, you have the privilege of hosting networking meetings. And whenever you participate in networking meetings, you don't have to pay for that. As an Inner Circle member, you get access to the Inner Circle meetings, which as of today are 26 in number. And we intend to go to a weekly meeting. So that should make it 52 meetings in a year. Herein, the second degree contacts of the Inner Circle members also open up to you, and you have access to the Industry Connect as well. All right. And when you subscribe to eGrowth, you also get a number of deals such as this one, wherein you get free web hosting for 24 months for 3 domains for 15 mailboxes. All right. You also get a free digital business card. You also get 10% discount on sanitization and deep cleaning services from Favors, who is an eGrowth member. You also get special deals on Apple products and also on car repairs. These are offered by Sanjeev ji's companies. And you have the option of subscribing to eGrowth. Subscription is priced at only 8,000 rupees for a period of 10 years. Here, the benefits that you get is you get access to a curated network, privileged access, online engagement, as well as offline engagement, and it's only a one-time registration fee. All right. You have the choice to start with an annual subscription wherein you get access to the influencer network, premium access, and power networking. On top of it, you can consider to become an Inner Circle member, wherein you become the Inner Circle member and you also have access to the industry bodies. So you can be a part of the delegations which go to various industry bodies, or you can also be one of the hosts for the delegations. You also get opportunity to participate in buyer-seller meetings. Our annual subscription is only at 18,000 rupees and the Inner Circle subscription is only at 30,000 rupees. Right now, as we speak, there's a special deal for you. The total benefits are something like 1.2 lakh rupees, and the Inner Circle is not for you at 30,000 rupees, but you pay only 15,000 rupees if you choose to subscribe this month. All right. And other than this, we are also organizing a workshop which is called as Leverage in COVID Times. Today, the second batch is starting. Herein, this has 3 modules. The first module is the New World Order. Second is the Leverage Paradigm. And the third is What's in it for you. So last week we had the first batch. This year we are having the second batch. The timing is 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. and this is priced at only 999 rupees. You want to have a look at it, you can please go to egrow.org/the leverage model, and you can choose to subscribe. If today may be too late, if you want, you can consider it for the next week. We have this happening every week. All right. To get in touch with us, you can please make note of these numbers: 9810162028. This is Mr. Sanjeev Ahuja's number. He's the president of Inner Circle. He is a successful businessman. He's got multiple businesses. One is he's an Apple dealer for around 31 years. He also runs a multi-brand car workshop in Gurgaon. He also has a printing business. All right. The other number is 89209266565. The name of the lady is Ronika Bhatia. Ronika Bhatia is the community manager for eGrowth. She is your person to go to for any kind of support that you need in eGrowth. In case you are going on the website, you're not able to get something, you can reach out to her. In case you want to reach out to certain contacts, you can reach out to her, and she'll be glad to support you on that. In case you want to write to me, you can write to me on atul@egrow.org. I generally respond to mails within 24 hours. So this was a little bit about eGrowth and the CEO talks. Let's go ahead with our agenda for the day. So I can see Rucha has still not come in. Let me just check with her. Till that time, we've got Rajesh ji and Sanjeev ji who come in. If you can please introduce yourself while I just check with Rucha what's the scenario. Sanjeev ji and Rajesh ji, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, good morning everyone. I'm Sanjeev Ahuja. I have a multi-brand car workshop in Sector 53, Gurgaon. We are servicing and maintaining all kinds of cars.
Sanjeev ji, you are not audible. संजीव जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, maybe by the time he fixes himself.
Yeah, please go ahead, Rajesh.
This Rajesh Budraja from New Delhi. I've been professional in air conditioning, ventilation, natural ventilation for last 44 years. And currently my consulting platform called ZS India. We have a collection of experts from the industry who are on this platform, from air conditioning, MEP, fume industry extraction, and natural ventilation. And we are looking at giving as much of nature's techniques to the industry post-COVID, that, with minimum operating costs and most optimized systems, they can create a good working environment and healthy people working in this shop floor. Thank you.
Great. Rajesh ji, are you open to international projects?
Yes, of course. I worked with the EY, Ernst Young.
Okay.
And all the assignments we got from there were international projects. Of course, these were not pure consultancy. We were validating and value engineering we were doing. But yes, if there are international projects, the only thing is we can't travel right now.
No worries. So the reason why I just asked you is today we have an interesting person with us on the call. He is Mayur Thakkar. Okay. So Mayur, he is somebody who's into international business and focusing on the African market.
Okay.
In the food space, right, Mayur?
Yes.
Yeah. So maybe both of you can have a conversation offline, because since you are in the food business, I'm sure there would be a lot of work in space of cold storage and the likes.
Yes.
So this is where, since Rajesh, he specializes in HVAC and climatization. So your potential customers or your potential suppliers, they would definitely need in support in terms of these businesses, his expertise. All right.
Yep.
So that's
Okay.
one thing. Yeah.
Sure, thank you.
So great. So Sanjeev ji,
I'll share my number. You can just connect us both.
yeah, you. I think Mayur has already shared it on chat, and you can also share your number on chat. So I thought this was relevant, so I took the conversation forward. Sanjeev ji, you there?
Yes, sir.
आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन कंप्लीट नहीं हुई मुझे लगा.
हाँ, बीच में इंटरनेट लाइन ड्रॉप हो गई. Apart from the motor business, I'm into IT business. I have a Apple dealership where I sell iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks and MacBook Pros. And not only I service, I service them also. I have Apple certified engineers with me. And for my customers, I'm doing HP, Lenovo, and Dell as well. Anything you require, just let me know. Thank you.
Fantastic. All right. So, see, guys, the topic for today is the unseen impact of lockdown 2020. All right. Yesterday we had Rucha with us on the call, and she's a disaster management expert, and she was talking of various impacts which an emergency has. And we thought that it was an interesting topic, so that is why we kept the topic for today. She's still trying to log in, so whenever she logs in, that'll be great. Till that time, maybe we can have a conversation among us to build on the topic. All right. So three areas which she was talking about were livelihood, security, and protection. Okay, so one of the hard hit aspects of life is that people have lost their livelihood, or they are getting displaced because of this. All right. So that is definitely a concern. And yesterday when we were having this, we came on a consensus that we as a community, we should start doing something in this line. And thanks Rajesh ji for raising that topic yesterday. We can build on that conversation today. All right. So one is the livelihood. So there are people who've lost their jobs. We've been calling them as migrant labor. And some of them, so just we've come across some incidences where some of them have lost their lives while in transit. Okay. So that is the security aspect of it. Third piece, which is even more gruesome, is families being pushed into flesh trade or into human trafficking, which is the unseen piece, which is what is covered under the word protection. Right? So maybe each one of us can share something on these three topics. So Rajesh ji, would you like to add something here?
I think I spoke at length yesterday.
Absolutely, yeah. So since you slept over it, so there would be something interesting which would come. So this is not an interesting topic, actually speaking. Something.
The purpose was actually to put this in our space, because as individuals, what can we do?
Yeah.
So, rather than government, of course, does their bit of work, their share.
Absolutely.
But obviously, we need to do something at our personal level.
Absolutely.
So I have done whatever I could at my personal level. So I just wanted to put, I'm sure some of you would have also done.
Right.
But collectively, what we can do is what was the purpose of putting this on the platform.
Yeah. So one of the things that we discussed yesterday was that on eGrowth, we would have a page where we'll be listing various organizations which are actively working in this space. So as of today, I've not done it. Today, I'll take some time out and I'll do something on that space. Yeah. Anything else, Sanjeev ji?
Atul, I've got a small request and suggestion.
Yeah, please.
Through the eGrowth, you can put up a hyperlink for PM Care Fund, probably.
Okay, fair enough.
Right, no? Because people who visit, so naturally the same thing is to contribute, correct?
Okay, yes.
So those who want to contribute financially, this can do this way.
Yes, we can definitely do. So we on the home page itself there is a ticker, and I can add that ticker.
Okay.
That I can do in the next 1 hour, immediately after this call.
Second thing, what is during the Nepal crisis, no, of earthquake.
Yeah.
All over the country, there were different centers were set up for collection of the material, other thing. Now, in this time of distancing is not possible. Let's explore how each of us, e-growth member, no,
right,
can contribute in these terms in the view of allowing the mobility in the orange and green zone, no.
Okay.
ये possible है. तो जहाँ possibility हमें दिखती है, उस पे हम लोग एक काम करना चालू करें. तो उसमें अपने जो वॉलंटियर्स रहेंगे ना, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप है, मैं हूँ, अलग अलग लोग है ना, हम लोग कौन से एरिया में क्या काम कर सकते हैं, उसका पेज हम लोग ई-ग्रोथ के बनाए. एंड वी इनवाइट द वॉलंटियर्स आल्सो.
एब्सोल्युटली
करेक्ट ना. तो एक बड़ा काम होएगा, वॉलंटियर्स भी आएंगे, तो एक तो वो लोग सोशली कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, उनकी जो पर्सनल नीड रहेगी वो उसमें ई-ग्रोथ कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा ना.
एब्सोल्युटली.
तो दोनों मिलके काफी बड़ी चीज बन सकती है.
बिल्कुल.
तो इसमें
what in fact Shahji, yesterday the reason, and we were waiting for the lady to come and join us. Useful thing is, we need to look at, because I remember when I worked with the Hunger Project, there were a lot of dubious NGOs also. We have all that in every platform in the world. So the question is to see if there are credible organizations are doing some useful work. How we can personally, or we can connect them to more people. So what I can share on our Atul, I can share on our group is this girl of my friend, the daughter of my friend, who's working for the Dabbawalas in Mumbai.
Right.
Shahji, maybe, see, for example, I first thought, I don't stay in Mumbai, so what is my need of doing anything? But then I said, yes, my friend's daughter, she's doing, so I need to support her and encourage her.
Right.
Shahji, I can share that on the group.
Sure. Yes, definitely.
In Mumbai, they are your lifeline.
Right.
So,
Exactly.
see how you can support them.
Okay.
Because they need our support at this point of time.
Right. Okay. Fine. Possibly, Atul will be able to put a kind of a community support page,
So
website.
Specifically for Bombay, there is an organization called Choti Si Asha.
Correct. Right.
Okay. So right now there are around 300 people associated with them. Okay. Wherein they are providing meals to people across the country. Across the city. Okay. So we have some of our e-growth members who are very actively participating there. So there's Kusai Daginawala, then Huzefa Sampalwala. They are both e-growth members. Other than that, there are a number of other people whom I know personally. So there's a gentleman named Zuhair Diwan. Then there is Deepak Jivani. Then there is another member of ours whose name is Jigisha Shah. She's also working there. So what these people have been doing is they have been creating these kind of cloud kitchens, from where they're collecting collecting food and distributing it to various people in distress. That's one thing. They've also been working on the PPE kit. So they've got some PPE kits and they've been distributing that. So that is where I shared some contacts. They got some more contacts from e-growth itself. So one of our members who's from Satara, he gave the contact of somebody in Pune and from whom the PPE kits were sourced. So this kind of a linkage is something which is already there, and we can build further on it. So Rajeshji, I think this friend's daughter, she must get in touch with Choti Si Asha, and there will be something which can be done.
Yeah. No, they are already, like I shared, rather than distributing, they are giving them, special tokens, and they are going to their kirana walas and picking up whoever is the nearest, and that person gets paid by organization or this group.
Right.
So there is one more thing that I came across yesterday. I mean, it has been happening, but it came to my knowledge only yesterday. So there was this group of painters. There was a group of these painters, you know, who do these wall paints, etc. They were trying to walk their home, and they got stuck in Rajasthan. So when they got stuck in Rajasthan, one of the villages, you know, which was on the side of the road, decided to take care of them or kind of adopt them, which is what we were discussing yesterday. So these painters, they said that, see, we can paint your houses, we can paint your panchayat or, you know, your school in return of the work that you're doing for us till the time, you know, things don't settle down, and we can, you know, keep helping you in some way or the other. And this is how, you know, things move with this organization. Now, here's my suggestion. There are so many people who are stuck in between. I mean, see, food is something definitely being done. A lot of people are actually taking that initiative. But then there are a lot of these people who are stuck at different places, you know, on the highways, etc. And these places are surrounded by villages. What if we can find a way to get these Gram Panchayats involved and kind of adopt these people till the time the lockdown opens, and in return, these people can actually, you know, help with, you know, doing something in return. For example, they can help with their farming. You know, the women can take care of the cattle. Do you relate with me? So, you know, things like those.
Yeah,
so
this is a very interesting thing. Yeah.
You know, in return, they can be given food, and, you know, their kids can be taken care of, etc. I mean, they can work in the farm, they can work in the fields, they can help in cleaning vegetables or cutting, or, you know, whatever it is, or supplying it. I don't know. I mean, see, this is a concept which is also being followed at an international level, where you want to do international travel. So you live with these places in any country. They don't pay you anything, but they take care of you, and you in return work for them. So it's like for a month or 3 months or even up to 6 months. You know, it happens in various countries. So, you know, you can go and intern with them, kind of thing. So fact, I think this could be practical.
There is, I'm forgetting the name of this organization. They are based in just behind Sarita Vihar, an NGO. They, you know, in villages, they give clothes, etc. You know, we've given a lot of clothes to them. I'm forgetting the name. So, but they don't just give it for free. They say, like, if there's a road to be constructed in the village, you construct the road and we'll give you clothes, or we'll give you other things. So, you know, it's not just a dole, which is why yesterday I was mentioning, since out of us, Satyaji is one person who probably is connected a lot to the rural, you know, through the BSNL. So, and he has people, you know, up in the rural areas. So, Atul, if he can engage with him and see if at the panchayat level, I think Shefali's suggestion is an excellent suggestion. So, panchayat people can, you know, look around them, जो फंसे हुए लोग, कि भैया ठीक है हम तुम्हें खाना देते हैं, but do some work for us, help us out.
So see, though we are talking about the current scenario कि जो फंसे हुए हैं, this can be a regular business model.
Yes.
Right. So to give you an example, so there are a lot many farmers in Punjab who have invested in harvesters. Okay, now a harvester you need only for a couple of days in the entire year.
Yes.
And there is a fair bit of investment in it. So if you see somewhere around Lodi, so that is like Makar Sankranti, these people, they start from up north and drive all the way down to South India. And then they start their northbound journey. Every day they keep on harvesting in different villages, different areas, get paid for it, move on, get paid, move on. So from there till around Baisakhi. So Baisakhi is the time when you would have harvest season coming in Punjab. So in those 3 months, they are engaged every day and they are doing something worthwhile. Oh, fantastic. Ruta is there. And they are doing something worthwhile and they are getting paid for it. So this is something in line. So here, these guys, they've got a skill, they've got the equipment, they're carrying the equipment with them and they're getting paid. Because of this, somebody who's a marginal farmer who cannot afford to have a harvester, he's getting a harvester for the number of days that he needs.
See, also there are a lot of these Laghu Udyogs. You know, there are a lot of these Laghu Udyogs in various villages.
Hi, Rucha.
Which can actually engage these women.
So our center of attraction is here. Hi, Rucha.
Hi.
ये emergency वाले late क्यों होता है हमेशा?
See, disaster occurs when we are least, waiting for it. And this is actually an example of disaster when we are not prepared. We have all the preparation to have a call.
ठीक है, great है. So thanks for being on the call. So Shefali, we'll keep on building on this. I think this is a very good idea. Okay. So there is a business model here. There is a genuine need over here, and there is a social engagement over here.
And this is immediate. This is something we can do immediate with minimum planning.
Yeah. The other point which I was saying is, right now we are in a state of emergency, but this can happen even in the normal days.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Great. So.
But Rajesh ji की labor की problem solve नहीं होती इससे.
हो जाएगी. अभी हम कर देते हैं solve.
राजेश जी, वैसे आपको ये कलर भी अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you.
गाजरी रंग है ना ये? कौन सा है?
Pink.
So he's now taking out all the red and
somewhere
the
close
pink.
to magenta, right?
Yes.
Not as shocking. हाँ जी.
Yes.
So Rucha, please introduce yourself. You are the woman of the day.
Hi. So good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And my apologies for all this disaster in the talk of disaster.
Got it.
अतुल, इनका screen पूरा share कर लो so that we see her full rather than a small one.
I can't do much. I think she's on the phone.
Wait.
Yeah,
I'm on the phone.
अच्छा, आप बात कर रहे हो तो वो आप अपने फोन के ऊपर.
हाँ, मैंने कर दिया.
ठीक है.
हाँ, फिर आप पूरा स्क्रीन करोगे तो पीछे मेरे हस्बैंड झाड़ू लगा रहे हैं, वो भी दिख जाएगा.
वो तो
आपने बोल ही दिया.
संजय भाई, good morning.
He is not listening, but I can say Sanjay, अतुल आपको good morning बोल रहे हैं. अच्छा, he is saying good morning.
ठीक है, great है. घर की कहानी है.
I know. ठीक है. So let's start. तो जैसे I'm not here with any presentation. मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ presentation नहीं है, but we can talk. Actually मुझे ये था कि we can map out the things.
Absolutely.
कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं as a group of people committed for our to bring happiness in the life of people who need it.
So let me just update you on what is it that the filler conversation that we had while we were waiting for you. So we were talking about how is it. So Shefali gave an example that there are these people who are traveling and who got stranded in between their painters in somewhere in Rajasthan. So there they offered the locals that, okay, we can paint your house for you. We can paint your panchayat for you in return of you hosting us. All right.
Okay.
So this is where the conversation has been built, that how about getting panchayats involved and some other stakeholders involved, wherein we can create some livelihood that may be temporary, but that becomes a sustainable effort. Okay. So this is what we were talking when you logged in.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
So just yesterday what we discussed is that let's look at let's map out the impact on their life. So not look at livelihood, but overall impact on their life.
Yes.
And then let's map our own capacities or our capacity in getting the resources or linkages and filling that gap.
Yeah.
तो नीड भी आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, उनका इम्पैक्ट पूरा चेक करते हैं, फिर उनका क्या नीड है वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं, और हमारी कितनी कहाँ पे कैपेसिटीज है एज ए इंडिविजुअल, एज ए सोसाइटी और इन टर्म्स ऑफ नेटवर्क.
ठीक
है ना. और फिर वो एनालिसिस करके लेट्स कम टू अ पॉइंट कि भाई हाँ, हम ये काम हम कर सकते हैं. और सच मानिए कि आप कुछ भी करेंगे अभी इन समय में, it will give you a lot of satisfaction. Moreover, you will feel that you have done something meaningful for the people who are in need. तो मतलब जैसे कि अतुल ने पहले लिखा है कि लाइवलीहुड, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द लाइवलीहुड।
ये 3 शब्द थे जो आपने दिए थे कल, तो मैंने वही लिखे हैं।
हाँ मैंने देखा। हाँ। तो क्योंकि लाइवलीहुड पहले लिखा है तो हम पहले लाइवलीहुड से ही शुरू करते हैं ना।
हाँ जी।
तो लाइवलीहुड में हमें क्या इम्पैक्ट दिखता है?
सो लाइवलीहुड में एक तो ये है कि सो देयर आर 2 एक्सट्रीम एंड्स। एक एंड तो ये है कि जी फैक्ट्रीज में दे विल नीड मोर पीपल, because of the physical distancing they will need more people, more hands to deliver the same product. So that means the requirement for people is going to increase. On the other end, because of desperation or because of uncertainty, people have moved out of their workplace and they are moving towards their parental homes or wherever they're living. So these are 2 opposite ends of spectrum.
Okay. तो उससे भी पहले मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है। दिस क्वेश्चन इज टू द होल ग्रुप एंड अब व्हाटएवर जो भी आप कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं प्लीज आप शेयर योर थॉट्स। तो अभी हम जब बोलते हैं कि लाइवलीहुड लॉस है ना, हम अभी वही बात कर रहे हैं कि हमें सपोर्ट क्यों करना है लाइवलीहुड के लिए, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ लाइवलीहुड। तो किस तरह का लाइवलीहुड लॉस हुआ है, लेट्स फाइंड आउट दैट एंड देन वी कैन थिंक कि हम कैसे उनको बिल्ड कर सकते हैं।
ठीक है जी,
है ना। हाँ. जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल कि अगर हम अभी लाइवलीहुड लॉस की बात करते हैं तो एक है टेम्पररी लाइवलीहुड लॉस,
राइट?
यस,
है ना, मतलब इन द सेंस शॉर्ट टर्म।
यस,
ठीक है। दूसरा हो सकता है लॉन्ग टर्म। शॉर्ट टर्म क्या हो सकता है कि हमारी हाउस हेल्प है,
डेली वेजर्स जो है,
हाँ डेली वेजर्स है, उनका शॉर्ट टर्म लॉस। लॉन्ग टर्म लॉस किसका है? सिनेमा हॉल में जो क्लीनर था या जो वो पॉपकॉर्न सप्लायर था, डिलीवरी बॉय, जब तक सिनेमा घर नहीं खुलेंगे, सिनेमा घर उसको वापस जॉब पे नहीं बुलाएगा और उसको सैलरी नहीं देगा।
These are
ले ऑफ्स है ना। तो इम्पैक्ट तो है ना, वो भी महीने का 10-15 हजार ही कमाता था। तो वो एक लॉन्ग टर्म है। दूसरा चीज है कि लॉस ऑफ लाइवलीहुड रिसोर्सेस। अब इसमें मैं ये कहूंगी कि कोई चाय की मतलब वो पटरी वाला था, who himself is an entrepreneur, उसने ओखला मंडी में बाहर वो छोले कुलचे का ठेला लगाया है ना, और वो उसी से अपना रोजी रोटी चलाता है और 10-15 हजार रुपए कमाता है। अभी इस समय में जहां पे सब लोग बंद हैं, अचानक से उसका एक तो नुकसान हुआ कि उसने जो स्टॉक करके रखा होगा सामान खराब हो गया है, और अब उसे नहीं पता है कि कब उसको बिजनेस मिलेगा। अब जो जॉब वाले हैं उनको तो क्या है कि थोड़ा बहुत भी पैसा उनके फैक्ट्री ओनर दे देते हैं इन गुड फेथ, जो निकल के आता है कि या तो घर पहुंचने के लिए भी जैसे पैसे दे देते हैं कि भाई तू अभी घर चला जा, तेरी नौकरी सिक्योर है, जब सब नॉर्मल हो जाएगा तू वापस आ जाना।
Yeah, because these are people who would be wanted. They have been trained. Yes. They have some skill set.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो अपने फैक्ट्री के कंडीशन से, उसके रूल्स रेगुलेशन से, वे ऑफ वर्किंग से फेमिलियर है।
बहुत ट्रस्टवर्दी,
ट्रस्ट भी है, और आपने उसको ट्रेन भी किया है। देयर इज सम इन्वेस्टमेंट। पर जो बंदा छोले कुलचे बेच रहा है,
he is absolutely off road.
उसको कोई एक पैसा भी नहीं देगा। तो वो भी एक है लॉस ऑफ लाइवलीहुड। ठीक है। अब इसमें कुछ एग्जांपल ऐसे भी होंगे कि भाई उसने अपना घर चलाने के लिए टेम्पररी उसने अपना सामान भी बेच दिया। जैसे कोई बंदा साइकिल पे कुछ डिलीवरी वगैरह करता है, अभी आजकल आप न्यूज में देखोगे तो बहुत लोगों ने, मजदूरों ने साइकिल खरीदी है घर पहुंचने के लिए। साइकिल कहाँ से आई? कोई दुकान तो चल नहीं रही है,
खरीद ली किसी से, वो मोर नीडी।
हाँ, तो ऐसे ही किसी से खरीदी है जो ज्यादा नीडी है। तो एक ऐसे हैं जो सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट है, सेल्फ लाइवलीहुड जनरेट करते हैं ना, छोटे बिजनेस वाले, पेटी बिजनेस। तो एक ये लॉस है जिसमें उनका इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स भी लॉस हो चुका है, मतलब चांसेस है।
So what are suggestions in this?
तो हम ये कर सकते हैं इसमें, जनरली हम ये कर सकते हैं कि भाई टाइम बीइंग गवर्नमेंट, हमको RWA के साथ आप पहले तो मीटिंग करो कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एंड द अदर थिंग इज टू हैव अ मीटिंग विद द पीपल हु आर इम्पैक्टेड।
How do we get them?
हाँ, हाउ डू वी गेट देम? तो आप ही को, जैसे जो फैक्ट्री ओनर्स हैं, तो आप अपने मजदूरों के नंबर लीजिए, उनके सहयोग से आप छोले कुलचे वाले के नंबर लीजिए, एंड आप थोड़ा उनसे फोन पे बात कीजिए, या तो फिर किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सहयोग से, अगर जैसे मैं हूँ आज, मतलब मेरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दिल्ली के 100 स्लम में काम करते थे, है ना, तो मेरे पास हर एक स्लम के कोई ना कोई वॉलंटियर्स के नंबर होते हैं।
हाँ, तो which would be useful, because each one of us trying to hunt for people is, and this is a time we might not get down to a slum area. Somebody like me who's 66.
नहीं, the best thing is to go through a phone only. अभी तो social distancing है, तो phone के through ही हमें बात करना है।
So if you have volunteers in slums who can tell us that these are people who are, in different levels.
हाँ.
We have to first catch hold of somebody who's at the worst level, and through our network reach out to people saying, okay, this guy is worst hit. I mean, there are 3 categories who are hit. This guy is literally लाले पड़ गए हैं इसको खाने के. So can we get him somewhere? So if you have connectivity there, that will help, because इस time हम नहीं कर पाएंगे ये social distancing.
Sure. दूसरा चीज है, जैसे हमने तो ये लाइवलीहुड का बात किया, अब ये मेजर कैटेगरीज जनरली होती हैं, आप थोड़ा और भी सोच सकते हैं, और फिर आप ग्रुप में, या मतलब यू कैन शेयर इट विद अतुल कि व्हाट ऑल अदर इंपैक्ट्स यू सी ऑन अ लाइवलीहुड। दिस इज व्हाट, मतलब जनरली ये 3 कैटेगरी होती हैं, एक शॉर्ट टर्म होता है, एक लॉन्ग टर्म होता है, और एक होता है जो बिजनेस, पैटी बिजनेस में है, जिसका बिजनेस चला गया, या तो टाइम बीइंग बिजनेस बंद हुआ है, या तो ही इवन नीडेड टू सोल्ड आउट ऑल हिज बिजनेस इक्विपमेंट्स। तो हम ये भी कर सकते हैं कि अभी हम फंड इकट्ठा करें, ऐसे लोगों की लिस्ट बनाएं जो जिनका बिजनेस इक्विपमेंट्स भी चला गया है, या जो एक कैश होता है बिजनेस रन करने के लिए वो चला गया है। तो व्हेन द थिंग्स स्टार्ट नॉर्मल रूटीन, वी कैन हेल्प देम टू रीस्टार्ट देयर बिजनेसेस। एक वो हो सकता है रीस्टार्टिंग ऑफ द बिजनेस, और वी कैन से लाइवलीहुड रिस्टोरेशन, है ना। दूसरा चीज हम ये कर सकते हैं कि अभी तो हम जो एकदम खराब हालत में है उनकी लिस्ट बनाएं, एंड वी कैन ट्राई टू प्लेस देम, जैसे डिलीवरी बॉय के तहत, या मतलब अभी ये भी कर सकते हैं कि कई लोग प्रिफर करेंगे कि भाई हमारे घर में ही कोई हाउस हेल्प हो, जिनके यहाँ पार्ट टाइमर्स आती हैं ऐसे, तो we can check with such families ki will they like, after all the screening and everything, will they like to have a house help for month or 2 months in their own house. And I think मुझे लगता है दिल्ली में ऐसे बहुत सारे families निकल के आएंगे कि भाई वो कहेंगे कि हाँ ठीक है, वैसे तो हमारे पास पार्ट टाइमर्स आती थी, पर अगर अभी स्क्रीनिंग के बाद कोई लेडी हमारे पास आके रहना चाहती है, we will like to keep her till the situation is in a lockdown.
Actually इसमें क्या है, mostly
on the contrary, home made people may not want to keep somebody at home for 2 reasons. Is that he or she might be infected.
हाँ, so I'm saying after all the screening, हाँ।
नहीं, but screening तो immediate होगी, ये नहीं पता पिछले 13 days में अगर
हाँ वो तो ठीक है। So this is just a possibility. I know people may not agree. I fully buy your suggestion, बट पीपल मे अग्री। जैसे हम डिलीवरी बॉय की बात कर रहे हैं, तो डिलीवरी बॉय भी तो शॉप पे जाएगा, लोगों के घरों में जाएगा, वो भी तो इन्फेक्टेड हो सकता है।
Like yesterday, I was suggesting a lot of these grocery stores who've now been allowed to open, but people will not venture out to these grocery stores because वहाँ भीड़ मिलेगी. So they are scared, and plus वहाँ की जो indoor air quality है, I am a indoor air quality person. अगर किसी ने छींक दिया है वहाँ वो आजकल AC भी नहीं चलाते होंगे, उसका खर्चा पड़ता है, and ventilation तो zero होगी. It will be a dead space.
Yes.
किसी ने छींक दी तो you know that whole air is contaminated. तो इसमें लोग वैसे ही नहीं जाएंगे, but लोगों को needs है.
Yes.
तो if these guys can give employment to people, कि उसका धंधा भी चल जाएगा, लोगों की requirement भी meet हो जाएगी. You know, so we are kind of linking up these two. तो एक suggestion मेरा है, you know, I have my society, the person who's from behalf of the maintenance team, he spends 2 or 3 hours in a day in his colony. He works for the Shakha RSS.
Okay.
And I find through him is that कहते हैं दिन में करीब 400 लोगों को हम खाना देते हैं उनके एरिया में. Now RSS, I think, though I'm not a pro RSS or an anti RSS, but they are one agency which probably believe more in service.
Charity.
So if we have some Shakha people around who know localities, they would probably be able to, like your volunteers in slum areas, or Shakha people who are in connect with the slum areas. वहाँ से हम पता करें कौन affected है, उसका skill set क्या है, and we put it onto our friends group, our group here, multiplier effect, that this guy is available, he has this skill set, he's lay off right now, can somebody give him some work?
Okay.
RSS को use कर सकते हैं आपके volunteers, and I mean, unless other people have some ideas. Shaji, आप तो मुंबई में है. Mumbai is of course the worst hit place in the country today.
See, one thing what we can do is we can start with a WhatsApp group specifically for this conversation. Okay. See, we are at 10:33 and I've got another session which starts at 11 o'clock. In between, I need to do some stuff. So if we can wind up in another couple of minutes and maybe continue this conversation on the WhatsApp group, will that be fine?
Yeah,
fine. मुझे एक लाइन बोलनी है अतुल.
हाँ जी, प्लीज.
कि जो अभी डिस्प्लेस हो गए हैं, काफी सारी तकलीफ में है. हम तो 4 दीवार के अंदर में, जिसको दिवाली नहीं है, बाहर निकल चुके हैं, जिसका मोरल मेंटली डाउन हो गया है, काफी तकलीफ में है. तो इसमें क्या हो सकता है? हाउ दे कैन बी रिमेन मेंटली ओके, समवॉट दे कैन बी बेटर ऑफ.
तो उसके लिए ना we'll need to have appropriate conversations with them.
एक लाइन बोलूं, जो साइकोलॉजिकल काउंसलर है ना, बराबर, हाँ जी, ऐसे लोगों की टीम बना के कुछ किया जा सकता है. आई थिंक इसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए. मेरा सजेशन
बिल्कुल सोचना चाहिए. मैं उसी के ऊपर आ रहा था कि जी वो काउंसलर ही कर पाएंगे.
करेक्ट. ओके. Fine.
See, I think there is the first need is basically to identify who are the ones who are the worst hit currently, है ना? जो इंसान सिटीज में है या जो अभी सरकार की केयर में है या जिसको किसी ना किसी तरह का सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, वो एक है ना? दूसरा, then there is other set of people who are totally helpless on their own in transit.
Yes.
Let's please identify. See, there is जो लोग already अभी stationary हैं, उनको तो support कहीं ना कहीं से मिल रहा है. Either they are getting food or people are, हमारे यहाँ पे कॉलोनी के आसपास बहुत लोग हैं, schools हैं जो food देते हैं, 3 टाइम दिन में खाना दे रहे हैं, at least 2 टाइम खाना दे रहे हैं. So कोई ना कोई support है, भूखा कोई नहीं मर रहा है.
जो चैरिटी करने वाले बहुत है इंडिया में. Exactly. बहुत है जो खाना देंगे.
जो ट्रांजिट में है, I think they are the people who currently need support, because they are currently mobile, they are moving, they are injured, they are the ones who are not secure, and they are the ones who are currently going through crisis.
So we can also do one thing. Yeah, please, Shefali, please finish.
So I think the point is that these are the people we have to find a way to reach out to them. So coming out to the first point that Atul was saying, कि हर highway के पास एक गांव होता है, गांव की एक पंचायत होती है या जिला अध्यक्ष होता है, राइट? मैं मतलब अपनी बच्ची को पढ़ाती हूँ तो मुझे पंचायत का जो सिस्टम समझ में आता है. सो हर गांव 10 लोगों को या 4 फैमिलीज को, 5 फैमिलीज को अडॉप्ट कर ले और उनको ऐसा काम दे जो कि कोई भी कर सकता है. अब जैसे आपने बोला छोले कुलचे वाला है, वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन छोले कुलचे वाला शायद बीज तो बो सकता है, किसी की केटल धो सकता है, साफ सफाई कर सकता है, क्लीनिंग कर सकता है, गड्ढे भर सकता है, मिट्टी खुदाई कर सकता है. सी दीज आर फिजिकल थिंग्स दैट पीपल कैन डू. विमेन जो औरतें हैं लघु उद्योग का हिस्सा बन सकती हैं. लघु उद्योग का बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क है. लिज्जत पापड़ ले लीजिए, देयर इज अ बिग नेटवर्क ऑफ लघु उद्योग in villages. So every woman can contribute in household, every woman can do some work, they are good in fine motor skills. So you know, I'm talking about adopting families and taking care of them, giving them food, but in return let them work for, you know, the panchayat. उससे आपकी जो social security है वो वाली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगी, आपकी बहुएं, आपकी बेटियां सुरक्षित रहेंगी, बच्चे सुरक्षित रहेंगे, बिकॉज वो एक सिक्योर एनवायरनमेंट में होंगे. Plus they will get a respectable life.
Yes.
And when things get better, then they can probably you know, move. If the village is happy with their work, maybe village can give them some money so that they can, you know, take a bus and go, or go to the nearest railway station and take a ticket and go home.
Or can we do something that these people who are not aware about the government facilities, which, you know, all the services which government is organizing, can we list down the people, have some resources organized, put them in a bus and send them home respectfully? Let them be in their home, so they will be in their own environment, safe environment, in their own village, in their own house.
See, the challenge is, अगर बस का नेटवर्क है, बस का नेटवर्क एक बस स्टॉप से दूसरे बस स्टॉप पे है, बट जो लोग विलेजेस में दूर दराज के इलाकों में रहते हैं, they will still have to find a way to reach their home. It is not practical. ये viable नहीं है. आप ये जरूर कर सकते हो कि आप बस स्टेशंस के आसपास आपके जो ये रैन बसेरा है, आप इन रैन बसेरों की मदद कर ले लो.
एक काम, let us wind up this conversation. आप में से कौन-कौन लोग हैं जो कि WhatsApp पर आना चाहते हैं, who want to continue this conversation? Please chat box में yes लिख दीजिए, and we'll create a group and we'll build the conversation there. ठीक है? या आप बता दीजिए, मैं लिख लेता हूँ. मयूर.
हाँ जी, yes, I would like to be part of that group.
ठीक है, मयूर ठक्कर. रुचा ठक्कर, yes.
मैं जरा लॉग आउट करूंगी, मेरा एक दूसरा मीटिंग है अभी.
तो रुचा, would you like to be on this group?
Yes, fine.
Thank you for telling.
Me too.
हाँ.
चलो, bye everyone. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, Rucha. Wonderful interacting with you. I'll take your details from Atul and touch base again. Maybe.
Sure, anytime, dear. Yeah. Right. Okay, bye. Have a great day.
अतुल, मेरा नाम लिखिए.
मेरे बिना कैसे होगा सर?
विजय शाह and राजेश बुद्धिराजा.
उनके बिना भी कैसे होगा सर?
उनके बिना नहीं होगा. ठीक है.
उनके बिना भी नहीं होगा, आपके बिना नहीं होगा, विजय जी के बिना नहीं होगा, मेरे बिना भी नहीं होगा. कैसे होगा?
संजीव आहूजा एंड जीएस आहूजा.
मैंने तो यस बोल दिया पहले.
बोल दिया, ठीक है, ग्रेट है जी.
मैंने चैट पे डाल दिया था.
फैंटास्टिक है. मैंने वो देखा नहीं, सॉरी. हाँ, राजेश बुजुर्ग यस, विजय सिया यस. ओके, सो जीएस आहूजा इज नो. फैंटास्टिक, ग्रेट है. सो मिस्टर आहूजा जी, हम करीब 15 मिनट में लॉगिन करते हैं. On the same login, मैं breakfast कर तो आता हूँ, and then we'll start with our training. ठीक है जी. आप इसमें म्यूट पर हैं तो मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आप क्या कह रहे हो. ठीक है. योगेश चौहान.
यस सर.
हाँ जी. So can you please introduce yourself and also share whether you would like to be on this group?
Yeah, sure, sir. For the cause of charity, we are always ready.
Okay, and Yogesh, where are you from?
So I am from Delhi, and we have Fliplearn app.
Sorry, you have?
We have Fliplearn app.
Okay. Fliplearn, all right. Great.
It's a digital learning platform from nursery to 12th class.
Okay. I don't know whether I have your number. If you can please share your number.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So please share it on the chat box, and we'll wind up in about 1 minute.
अतुल जी, आपके लिए नाश्ता कौन बना रहा है? नाश्ता कौन बना रहा है? मम्मी?
मम्मी बना रही होंगी। मम्मी है, भाभी है, हेल्प है। हमने खाना है बस।
मुझे भी चाहिए मम्मी, भाभी, बीवी। मुझे भी चाहिए। हम भी।
बीवी चाहिए, अगर मिलती है तो कोई बताओ।
मुझे भी चाहिए बीवी जो घर संभाल ले मेरा।
वो दुबे जी हैं आपके पास, उनको ध्यान से रखो।
अरे यार, क्या भी कमाल, आपने सैंपलर देख तो लिया कर लिया क्यों? Nice. I have a rocking life. Good.
All right.
I'm always on. Yeah.
Thanks. Okay. Chalo, bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, thanks.
Best of luck for your session.
Okay. Yeah, bye. Great.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.